Circumcision Wedding, Digital Technique 2023, created and described by Uğur Altun. The cartoon-style illustration is divided into 5 rectangular areas and 1 square. Each area is composed of flat, different background colors and contains symbolic images related to the city of Izmir and Turkish culture. 2 large rectangles dominate the image, filling the center, left and right areas. Above this is a strip of 3 shapes, with half the depth of the larger 2, and below is a strip of 2 rectangles, each having around a third of the depth of the larger ones. Looking out at us on the left, within a large rectangle of yellow, which reaches across to the center, is a midnight blue oval-shaped evil eye bead. In the center of the eye is a black pupil within a light blue oval, inside another oval of white. The evil eye bead is usually hung on the walls of houses. According to the belief, it protects people from negative energy. Overlaid slightly to the right of the eye is an old Beetle convertible car in bright red. Driving the car, facing to the right and taking up about half of the next rectangle, is a man, and standing up in the back is a boy of primary school age. Both are happy and proud. The boy is wearing a traditional circumcision outfit, a plumed hat and a white top trimmed with red. He greets us with one hand and holds a toy unicorn in the other. In Turkey, circumcised children wear traditional clothes similar to the Sultan's clothes. Before the circumcision wedding, the child stands in the back seat of a classic car and proudly greets everyone. The background of the rectangle to the right is pastel greenish blue. Inside this rectangle, around the car, are repeating white, light blue, yellow and black flowers of different sizes. Wavy lines of midnight blue connect these flowers, and there are red dots in the spaces between the flowers. A strip of rectangles runs across to the top of the image. We find a bagel in a small vertical rectangle in the upper left corner of the work. The background is light pink. The bagel stands upright, as if balancing on an area of green. Inside all the green areas in the work, there are linear forms reminiscent of a light green leaf. Filling most of the width of the upper section in a white rectangle to the right of the one with the bagel is a landscape of mountain and sea view. A huge sun is rising. Right in front of it is a palm tree on the right side. In all the light blue areas, there are midnight blue lines of the same size, but facing in different direction. In this way, they form a pattern. The sky is decorated with a gradient gray texture. In the upper right corner of the image, on the top section, stands a square with the white Izmir clock tower against a night blue background. To the far right of the tower, the green leaves of a palm tree contrasts with the blue of the sky. A further 2 rectangles run along the bottom, under the eye and the car. In the bottom left of the work, we find the numbers 3 and 5 within an elongated green rectangle. 35 is the license plate number of Izmir. The background is light green with linear forms reminiscent of leaves. Next to it is another elongated rectangle that fills the lower right part of the work with a midnight blue background, where sunflower seeds are juxtaposed to form a pattern.